Okay guys, you guys followed me on the other TikTok, right? The beauty channel, Julia Chantel. Okay, that channel, right? I also teach you a little bit about content marketing and also business. But this channel, right, is going to be the total of everything, which is business, AI, and content marketing. So you guys may be wondering, like, Julia, you are teaching content marketing, you're doing social media videos for brands, right? And then you are now dabbling into AI. I tell you right now, AI, you don't need any coding, okay? You don't even need $10,000, guys. This is for all those entrepreneurs, right, who are looking for ways, right, to not, maybe your company, you have high staff turnover, and then you keep repeating over and over again the same answers to your staff who just on board, okay? Why not leave this part of the job, right, to me, right? I will create the AI bots for you, and then you just have to ask your staff, right, to go on board, right, on this channel, right, and then just watch, like you can ask questions like what's your staff benefits and everything, so you don't have to repeat over and over again. Like for me, right, as an entrepreneur, right, I could totally understand what kind of frustration that you receive, because sometimes for me, right, okay, you guys know that I used to do network marketing, and I got to recruit new recruits every now and then, and I find myself like a recorder, repeat over and over again, over and over again, over and over again. And you know what, although we send them all the documents, right, they don't read, okay? And then I find myself, okay, I will record whatever they need to know on the video, right, and then I send it to them. So that is why I love video marketing, because whenever there's a new product coming in, right, I just have to record one video and then I just send it to them and they understand, and that's how I sell my products over and over again without hassle. And then second, with the chatbot right now, anybody who keep asking me the same questions, I'll send them the chatbot, right, link, and then let them ask the question and let my chatbot answer the question. So I don't have to be like, oh my gosh, she's asking the same question over and over again, okay? Okay, so there's two types, okay, that I do. One chatbot is for my client, right, and another chatbot, right, is for my internal staff. That means my own recruits, right? Whenever they ask me a question, right, I just say, babe, can you ask the question in this chat, right? This beautiful chatbot will tell you what's needed, right, so that I don't have to repeat to you over and over again, because you have asked me several questions and it's all the same questions over and over again for several months. So I have some recruits who are like that, you see, and then I'm like wondering, are you okay, is there some stress at home, so I actually created this chatbot, right, just for her. And actually, in fact, when I recruit new people right now, right, I just forward them the chatbot and then they just ask questions, right, unless they have an important question, then they'll ask me directly, okay? Because I find that Singaporeans very forgetful. I don't know why. And then there's another chatbot, right, that I created for my clients. So when they ask me question, right, I actually send them this chatbot, and then this chatbot will actually do the filtering. And then if they are really interested in my services, right, they will actually get the chatbot. The chatbot will actually ask them for the contact, right, and then they'll fill in the contacts, right, and they will book a calendar appointment with me directly. So isn't this great? That's why I created chatbot. And if you're interested, right, if you're an entrepreneur, and then if you are interested to know more about what I do, you can DM me for more information. We can even have a free consultation or coffee, right? And on top of that, right, if you as an entrepreneur, I totally understand, like if you want to go and achieve those PSG grants, right, and then you have to do all the paperwork, and then you have to oh my god, don't know how many months then they'll approve, right? Why not just employ me, right, do your chatbot? Very simple and easy. Doesn't have to be voice AI, because voice AI, maybe some of you are voice AI may be too expensive for you guys, but I have an alternative. So if you're interested to know more, DM me for more information. And thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you all soon in my next video. Bye.